Now, the next step is getting insurance certificate. The exporter would purchase marine cargo insurance or other relevant insurance coverage to protect the goods while they are in transit. Now, what is insurance certificate? An insurance document, specifically in the context of international trade, refers to a document that provides evidence of insurance coverage for goods being shipped from one country to another. It is issued by an insurance company or insurer to the exporter or shipper of the goods and serves as proof that the goods are insured against risks such as loss, damage, or theft during transit. The insurance document typically includes the following information. First one is the policy number, a unique identification number assigned to the insurance policy. Second is the insured parties, the names, addresses of the insured parties, including the exporter and any other parties with an insurable interest in the goods. The third one is a description of coverage, details of the insurance coverage provided, including the types of risks covered, example, all risks named, perils, etc. Coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. The fourth one is insured value, the declared or agreed upon value of the insured goods, which determines the maximum amount payable in the event of a covered loss. Fifth is the policy period, the effective dates of the insurance coverage, indicating the period during which the goods are insured. The sixth one is a premium amount, the cost of the insurance coverage, typically expressed as a premium amount paid to the insurance company. Seventh one is the terms and conditions. Any terms, conditions, or clauses governing the insurance coverage, including claims procedures, responsibilities of the insured parties, and cancellation provisions. Next is authorized signatures. Signatures of authorized representatives from the insurance company and the insured party, confirming the issuance of the insurance coverage and agreement to the terms and conditions. The insurance document is an essential part of the shipping documentation and is typically provided to the importer or consignee in India, along with other shipping documents such as the bill of lading, commercial invoice, and packing list. It provides assurance to the importer that the goods are protected against loss or damage during transit and facilitates insurance claims processing in the event of an insured loss. Now, let's understand what will be the claim process in this case where Indian company has made an advance payment of the shipment. Now, assume shipment is shipped from Canada and the carrier ship has lost this material in transit. What will be the typical process and who will get the money of insurance? In the scenario where the carrier ship has lost the material in transit and the Indian company has made an advance payment for the shipment, the claim process for the insurance coverage would typically involve the following steps. First one is a notification of loss. The Indian company, as the consignee and beneficiary of insurance coverage, would notify the insurance company immediately upon learning of the loss or damage of the goods during transit. This notification should include details of the shipment such as the policy number, description of the goods, date of loss, and estimated value of loss. Second one is claim documentation. The insurance company would require the Indian company to submit documentation supporting the insurance claim. This may include copies of the insurance policy, the bill of lading, commercial invoice, packing list, and any other relevant shipping documents. The Indian company may also need to provide evidence of the advance payment made for the shipment. Investigation and assessment is the third point. The insurance company would conduct an investigation into the circumstances surrounding the loss or damage to the goods. This may involve contacting the carrier, inspecting the cargo, reviewing shipping records, and assessing the extent of the loss. Next, the fourth point is the claim settlement. Once the investigation is complete and the insurance company has verified the validity of the claim, they would proceed with the claim settlement process. The insurance company would calculate the amount of compensation payable to the Indian company based on the terms of insurance policy, including the insured value of the goods and any applicable deductibles. The fifth point is the payment to the Indian company. The insurance company would then issue a payment to the Indian company for the approved claim amount. This payment would typically cover the value of the lost or damaged goods up to the insured amount specified in the insurance policy. The sixth point is subrogation. After settling the claim, the insurance company may pursue subrogation rights to recover the losses from any liable parties, such as a carrier or other responsible parties involved in the transportation of the goods. Subrogation allows the insurance company to recoup some or all of the claim amount paid to the insured party. Now, in this case, the Indian company, as the consignee and beneficiary of the insurance coverage, would receive the insurance amount to compensate for the loss of the shipment. The advance payment made for the shipment would not affect the insurance claim process, as the insurance coverage is independent of any payment arrangements between the parties involved in the transaction. Now, the next step is filing export declaration. The export declaration is filed with customs authorities in the exporting country, providing details about the exported goods. In our case, export declaration is filed by Canada Corporation electronically with Canada Border Services Agency, which is authorized agency in Canada to file export declarations. And the purpose of this export declaration is this electronic document that informs Canadian Border Services Agency about the export and provides statistical data.